The International Space Station, ISS, represents the pinnacle of human achievement in space exploration. It's a monumental collaborative project between NASA, USA, Roscosmos, Russia, ESA, European Space Agency, JAXA, Japan, and CSA, Canada, highlighting the power of international cooperation. Orbiting Earth at an altitude of approximately 400 kilometers, the ISS serves as a state-of-the-art laboratory for scientific research in the unique conditions of outer space. One of the core technologies keeping the ISS operational is its advanced life support systems. These systems meticulously maintain air pressure, oxygen levels, temperature, and water recycling, creating a habitable environment for astronauts. The feeling of floating in a carefully controlled oasis against the backdrop of a hostile vacuum illustrates the intricate balance required to sustain human life in space. Power is another crucial element for the ISS. Gigantic solar arrays stretch out from the station, capturing sunlight and converting it into electricity. This power is stored in battery packs, ensuring a continuous energy supply, even when the station plunges into the shadow of the Earth. The sight of these solar wings unfurled in the infinite darkness sends a clear message of technological prowess. To keep the ISS on its path around Earth, propulsion systems come into play. Thrusters and periodic boosts from visiting spacecraft counteract atmospheric drag, maintaining the station's precise orbit. The occasional sight of thruster flames and the structured maneuvers of incoming spacecraft encapsulate the complex dance of celestial mechanics. Communication is key in any human endeavor, more so in space. High-speed data transmission systems aboard the ISS ensure real-time communication with mission control on Earth. This constant stream of data not only guides daily operations, but also supports scientific experiments demonstrating the power of human ingenuity in maintaining a link between Earth and the heavens. Robotic systems like the Canadarm2 serve as the station's versatile assistants. These robotic arms perform essential tasks such as repairs, moving cargo, and aiding astronauts during spacewalks. The image of a robotic arm gracefully moving against the tapestry of Earth embodies the synergy between human and machine in exploring the cosmos. Scientific research is the heart and soul of the ISS. Its laboratories teem with experiments in biology, physics, astronomy, and material science, all conducted in a microgravity environment. The surreal experience of watching liquid float freely or witnessing cells grow in novel ways provides insights impossible to gain on Earth, pushing the boundaries of known science. The ISS is more than a technological marvel. It is a symbol of international unity and ambition. It serves as a platform for conducting groundbreaking research, fostering peaceful collaboration, developing new technologies, and inspiring educational outreach. As a stepping stone for future deep space missions, it lays the groundwork for humanity's next giant leap. Despite the challenges and risks, the ISS stands as a testament to what can be achieved when nations come together, looking skyward with a shared vision of discovery.